Hey, ONPASSIVE family. Today, I'm here to talk about something truly exciting. The next stage of ONPASSIVE and the financial freedom that's just around the corner. Yes, you heard that right. Financial freedom. Our journey with ONPASSIVE has been incredible so far, and it's only getting better. With our visionary leader, Ash Mufareh, at the helm, we are on a path to unprecedented success. Ash has always been one step ahead, guiding us with his wisdom and foresight. Now, more than ever, it's important to stay positive and trust in the process. I know the anticipation can be overwhelming, but remember, good things come to those who wait. And in our case, great things are on the horizon. Ash Mufareh has some amazing updates coming our way, so be ready and stay tuned for more information. These updates are going to pave the way for our financial freedom, and I can't wait for all of us to experience the benefits. Let's take a moment to appreciate the journey we've been on. From the initial stages to where we are now, it's been a ride full of learning, growth, and, most importantly, community. Together, we've built something incredible, and the best is yet to come. So, what can you do right now? Stay engaged, stay informed, and most importantly, stay positive. Keep an eye out for Ash's updates and be ready to take action as needed. Remember, every step we take is a step closer to our ultimate goal, financial freedom. In the spirit of ONPASSIVE, let's continue to support each other and trust in our leader. Ash Mufareh has always had our best interests at heart, and his upcoming announcements will reinforce that commitment. So, my friends, let's gear up for this next stage. Financial freedom is not just a dream, it's becoming our reality. Together, with Ash's guidance, we are unstoppable. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey. Stay positive, stay engaged, and let's get ready for the bright future ahead with ONPASSIVE. Financial freedom, here we come. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more exciting updates. And please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let's do this, ONPASSIVE family. Cheers! Thank you for watching, and for more information about ONPASSIVE, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great ONPASSIVE day.